Okay, here is the flip through of my very first design team project for Odulcina, Anne, and I'm so grateful to be a part of her design team. And this turned out so much fun, and I really am happy with it. So let's just do the final flip through, and everything is linked below. And this is the tea time kit. Just reiterating it. So we did the document style journal. So first, let me set it aside. We have these beautiful envelopes that we have all of our extra ephemera in that were part of the kit. And oh my gosh, it looks so real. I was like, oh, I've got something stuck to that, and it's not. It's just the kit. Then we have this envelope here, which we decorated, and then this holds it closed. So cute. Tag. Okay, and then we did this back part, and all the videos are going to be in a playlist here. Then it opens up. Oh, that's what's... had it backwards. It opens up like that. We have fully opened. This opens up and we have vintage page there. And the top part where it folds. And we did a document style journal. We have paper in here for writing. With the teacup, it's so cute. There we go. It's a hard thing to keep in frame. So then when it opens up, it looks like this. And then we have all of our vintage pages that hit. I'll go this way and then I'll turn it around and go back the other way. Tuck spot here. We have a tuck spot there with a vintage page. It is big. Still lots of writing space, lots of space to put things. Envelope here. And then this is what the actual whole cover looks like. So now let's go back through the other way. See the back papers. Kind of boring during flip through. So much space left to do things with. Reinforce these really vintagey papers. And then back to the front. And it's tied together with some ribbon. And then it just, well, we have to fold this part up first. Then we fold everything else up. and put it back together. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this. It was a lot of fun to make. Beautiful kit to work with. So I really hope that you all enjoyed it very, very much. Today, my prayer for everyone watching this video is that if there's someone you're worried about, if there's someone that you think needs a helping hand or a friend or someone to talk to, even though I know we all have our own problems in life, we're busy, we have our own challenges, today I pray that all of you will reach out to somebody that you feel just needs a little extra boost, and that you will send cheer and love into their life and give them hope, even when it's hard to do so. I pray that you just find time, that the Lord just helps you find some time to reach out to one person today and spread the love. Remember that you are cherished and you are loved. Until next time, love always, Savannah.